There ought to be a law against landlord lawyers who violate fair housing laws and commit fraud on their very own clients, the landlords, the tenants, courts, and taxpayers of the Commonwealth. Added penalties for those violations should be included when the lawyer takes the extra effort on the day of court to recruit court officials to aid in coercive and intimidation acts that result in agreements signed under duress. Even more penalties should happen when the lawyer doesn't meet their end of the agreement. The story I'm going to tell you is an agreement that ended with language that said the case will be dismissed if tenant does whatever they say they're going to do, which the tenant did, and the lawyer did not file the case as dismissed. I learned this morning that case shows the status of an agreement against the tenant, which suggests the tenant admitted to doing something wrong. That's important because judgments against you can impact your credit, they can impact your ability to rent, and they can impact your employment prospects as well. So here's what's happening with me. I've recently moved to the Metro DC area, applied for a few jobs, a couple of them government. I'm well suited, I'm well qualified for these roles. And some of the applications let you know they might do a preliminary background check, ask if you've had any adverse judgments. I say, no, adverse judgments, sure, go ahead, check me out. I got nothing to hide, right? Well, this morning I learned, my case dismissed, a groundless case to begin with that should have been never filed but was dismissed, and then agreed to as being dismissed, shows the status as agreed to against the tenant. So how did we get here? Meet Madeline and the two court pirates. And the two court pirates. Madeline, before the lease expired, 60 to 90 days before the lease expired, approached the property manager, who turns out was away, to negotiate 1 month extension on her lease at fair market value, which is not only a tenant right, it's the law, and it was written in the lease as something that was possible. Substitute staff says, no, you're going to have to pay almost double what you currently pay because you're going month to month. No, I know the lease says, no, look, could you just give me the contact information for your lawyer and maybe one phone call? We'll take care of this. All right, but you're still going to have to pay. Lawyer. This tenant dare inquire about following the lease terms and exercising their rights? I'll show her I'm filing eviction charges. You can't do that. I didn't do anything wrong. The lease is paid. It's not even over. You have to have a violation. I'm going to make your life hell for a few months, which she did. So in the meantime, Madeline learns that they also screwed around with the security deposits, and she's entitled to treble damages there. That's some serious bucks. It could be like $6,000 or more. Okay, so anyway, in court, this one makes 3 different offers that every time Madeline goes to musical avails and says, something is not right, I can't sign this. Okay, mediators show up. Madeline, did you know you can talk about anything in mediation? You mean even the treble damages? Yes, anything in mediation. I'm not mediating with her. Okay, I'm sitting in the court, waiting her turn. Hey, I found a court official that's going to sit with us and work out a deal. We got a conference room. You want to come? Okay, fine. Conference room. Sit down. Hey, you can't sit there. Boom. Sit over here. Okay, I'll sit over here. Oh, there's 2 lovebirds. He pulls out the chair for her. He's so ass-kissing, trying to intimidate me again, right? Hey, Renee, the one thing I learned is that Madeline got no way to leave that room. She's cornered. They've blocked the door. The agreement reached gives Madeline everything she wants, the time frame she wanted, fair market value as she asked, and key to her, the important dismissal of this case. Well, we all know that case wasn't dismissed because we just found that out today. Wouldn't it be lovely if the DA's office or the AG's office investigated this attorney? Wire fraud is a distinct possibility with a lot of money that you can attach to that. Yeah, in the meantime, I started a law school program at Northeastern. We're studying fraud. BBO complaint to come. Done. That was good.